You're looking at the inside of a Tesla 2018 battery pack. It's a very heavy assembly, of course, of chemicals that powers a very popular electric vehicle. But what's in a battery pack? And can they be adequately tested prior to your purchase? Well, that's what we asked Infocon's Thomas Parker.
Battery pack in an EV is composed of battery cells that are packaged into a module that have a cooling circuit around it, and then that is fitted into a tray. It's got a cover, and now you've got a battery pack. So Infocon has leak testing products at each step, whether the company is making their own battery cells or purchasing them from a tier supplier.
What is the enemy of the EV battery?
Water. Water's the enemy, and it depends on what form, if it's liquid or water vapor. So the enemy to a battery pack is typically liquid water. There's a lot of high voltage circuitry inside. Once you get water in a pack, that water is going to evaporate over time. You could have corrosion, but if humidity ingresses into a cell, water vapor, then you're going to be reacting with the chemistry of the battery. You could have thermal runaway. You could develop hydrofluoric acids that actually swell the battery containers until sometimes they rupture. So water is the enemy, both liquid and water vapor.
And are you working with all forms of batteries right now?
Correct. A pouch, cylindrical, and prismatic rigid construction, yeah. We're doing a lot of education. A lot of customers don't realize what level they need to be leak testing. We're talking to them about the application. How probable is it if the battery pack could be submerged underwater? If it's a truck, it could be launching a boat. So we're doing a lot of consulting, a lot more consulting than we ever have, because this is such a new market. People are racing to production so quick. They're having a lot of questions on how to test almost after they've set up their factory already.